Toby Goodchild on the bottom of the stack has over 6,500 parachute descents. One of the most advanced instructors in the Royal Air Force today. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, keep that tempo. Welcome to the Hitler, this wonderful city of Sunderland. As they turn and enter into the target. First to land, we have Flight Sergeant Toby Goodchild, Sergeant Jimmy O'Brien from Surrey in Cheshire, Sergeant Matt Allen from Falcons, Sergeant Tony Brooks from Truro in Cornwall, Corporal Brian Wright from Harrogate in Yorkshire, Sergeant Martin Thomas from Stockton-on-Tees in Cleveland, Sergeant Martin Peace from Liverpool, Sergeant Neil Flanagan from Burnley in Lancashire,